just got a mini pet box, and he's got some neat stuff in here for you. Let's see what we got. This is new. We're considering getting one, and we just got some new stuff. Look at these guys. I think they'll like it. Let's see. What's in here now? Some dehydrated whole foods, cage-free turkey, and vegetables and fruit. Maddie likes that one. Okay, and then some free-range chicken, vegetables, fruits from the Honest Kitchen. You like that one? Smell that? You smell it, Miss Rain? And then, oh, yes, you need this. Some Grand Dental Health shoes for doggies. And we're going to give you some of those today. And then we got some wound and skin care. Little bottle of there. And oh my goodness, what's this? Oh, this is for breath too. Boy, they had us in mind. These are some breath, Clean, Fresh Breath, and Plus. So we have these two.
Rain, come here. Sister, come here.
Look, Rain. Ooh, Miss Rain. It's a pig ear from Aussie Health. He likes that. Let's see. Is there anything else? That's all that's in here. We're going to try one or two. So let's see what they do with these. Let's try the Dental Health, the Grin first. All right. Let's see. Let's see what you guys think about these, huh? Let's see. One here. Uh-oh. Rain eats it. Miss Rain kind of likes it. But Matt is definitely into that pig ear, so we'll give him a chance to try that. You want to try one more? I'll try one more. Oh. Okay. That's all right. You just get used to things. All right. That's our pet box for today.